Hello guys, after we created this little tree here, now we're gonna do with another approach. We're gonna use this tab here on the big menu bar called Civil View. The way that this works is that it applies images to a shape. So to start, we're gonna draw a little line. Let's go to the top view, maybe to help us, and draw a line. Press shift so the line is straight, and yes, done. We have this line right now, and then we go back to perspective. So now we can see the line proper here. So now we go to civil view. Probably for you guys doing at the first time, none of those options will show up, just one. What you need to do is click that option, and then the civil view tool will start to run. And after that, all those three options will show up. But for now, we're gonna go to civil view, object placement style editor. And here say there's one shape selected, probably our line, but let's press no. The way that we start to work with this is clicking here, add new element. As you can see, some elements start to show up down here. First, vehicles, furniture, and the one we want, trees. We can see a bunch of trees here. It's already showing for me. Maybe for you, it's like showing this way. So if you want to see the large icons, you can click right click on the mouse and then large icons so you can see properly the trees. After this, you're gonna go to parent shape and click on the line that we draw, and then you can see they select that line. Now we start to choosing our trees that we want to add. You can choose whatever tree we want. In our scenario, doesn't matter. We just want a beautiful large tree. So let's start with this mango tree here. As the first one of the things we should be concerned is the position that we're gonna add this object. So in this start station, so as the first one, 0, 0 is okay, and we just press apply then. So we have the mango tree here. To apply a second one, we go back here, add new element, and we choose trees, and then maybe one like a flowery one. Let's choose this magnolia one. And because we don't want them at the same place, we can choose give a little bit more space, maybe 10 meters, and then we apply. So now you can see the other tree here. You can see that like there's a little bit difference in size that we will fix later. Maybe could add a little bit more trees. Let's say maybe one of those here. This one looks good and not like a different color. Oh, don't forget to add new element and then go back here. I'm gonna put 20 meters now because on 0, 10, like would show up at the 20 meters. Yep, a new one. Oh, and then we got this change because probably that one was selected. So we can go back and add another one of those blossomy ones, and now we're gonna add 30 meters and apply, and then yeah, there it is. Let's change this one then. Add trees. Let's choose this one. Looks nice. And the position was 20 meters. Okay, apply, and then yeah, that's it. Let's delete the other one. Okay. Beautiful. Now, if you want to add those individual trees, what we need to do is close this tab. You can press OK or close. We don't need to save this tile because we're not going to need for what we're doing. And then we come back here to Civil View and go to this first option, the View Explorer. And you can select each tree and see a bunch of options show up here, down here, including the typical parameters that tell us, for example, the tree height. And in this case, you want to kind of have a realistic size of the trees, I guess. Like a mango tree is pretty big. Let's have this one in a quite similar size to the other one. Maybe we can bring to like something kind of like between close to 8 and this the wind 7, and then we can kind of like do those things for the other ones. Maybe this one that was quite small, we can give a little bit more size, maybe 9 with 8 with like maybe this one could be a little bit bigger then. And then we just choose like the sizes that we want. Done. As we could, if we try to move those trees, we see we actually can't. The way that we change that is going to click on each one of them and go into this little tab here, tracking, and click on this X, because what that means that we detach them from the line that we draw, and now we can actually move them in, not just individually but overall. So let's do that for all the trees that we added. Done. Yes, this one, tracking. Okay, yes, the last one, tracking. Okay, yes. And now we have those 4 trees here. And for this video is what we have. We're gonna move them now to all 4 of them. Let's move all 4 of them to the mirror of our corridor. And on the next video, we're gonna learn an approach that we can actually apply several of those trees in a randomly and interesting way to the rest of our corridor that will give us like interesting variety and like random positions as like a good little forest to have. Thank you guys. So see you in the next video.